What did the science book say to the math book? Wow, you've got problems. All right, let's play our number flash game. All right, take a look. How many is on the right-hand side? Remember computational fluency? Let's count quickly. 3 plus 2, 5. I know that's 5, and I know the bottom one is the exact same amount. 5 plus 5 is 10. Good job. 10 plus what equals 20? If you said 10, pat yourself on the back. Give yourself thumbs up. All right, ready? I'm going to show the next one. In 3, 2, 1. How many? Oh, check it out. We have the red beads next to the white. We know there's 5 white, 5 red whenever you have them together. So 5, 10, 15. If you need to count individually, if you need to count by pairs, you're more than welcome to, but that is 15. So 15 plus what? What's behind this blue square equals 20. 15 plus what equals 20? 5. Good job. All right, computational fluency. Try adding it quickly. I'm going to show the next slide in 3, 2, 1. What is it? Oh, take a look. You know red is next to the white. White. How many white beads are there total on the very first top half? 5. 5 plus 5 plus 2 more. 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 2 more, 12. 12 plus what equals 20? Give yourself a second, think about it. If you said 5, 6, 7, 8, that is right. 8, 9, 10. Look at the red beads. That would be 10 plus 10 more is 20. Good job. All right, next slide. In 3, 2, 1, add it. How many? Oh, take a look. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 10 is 14. Look at that computational fluency. You're adding it quickly in the brain. 14 plus what equals 20? Take a second, think about it. Check your answers. If you said 6, you are correct. Good job, guys. All right, we have one more. In 3, 2, 1, how many? Take a look. Oh, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job, guys. 9 plus what equals 20? So if we have 9 here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, how many more to 10? One more, right? So 10 plus 1 is 11. Take a look. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's different ways. That roadblock game that we played on Monday, that's a perfect example to see how there's different combinations to a certain number. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to hook up my document camera in your composition notebook. Same thing that we did yesterday, but we're going to do combinations to 20 so that way our brains can visually see. So I'm going to share. I don't have it. I'm going to share my IPvo. All right. So let's label it. Today is April 29th. April 29th, Wednesday, April 29th. All right, so number 1, we're going to make some combinations to 20. So remember, we're going to make a line down the middle of our paper. Please make a line down the middle of your paper. And let's make some combinations to 20. So I'm going to say 20 equals. 20 equals, so let's pick some numbers. You can either pick 20 or any number less than 20. I'm going to pick 17 today. I'm not going to go in order. I'm going to pick 17. 17 plus something equals 20. Think about that number rack. Utilize the number rack. If we had 17 beads on that right-hand side, how many would be behind that blue square? I'm going to count up from 17. 17, 18, 19, 20, 3. 17, remember our dots. Let's count the dots. So 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so now let's go ahead onto that right-hand column and let's actually make a subtraction problem. The boys are playing again. They're just love to play. You can probably hear them barking in the background. All right, so we're gonna make a subtraction problem that actually equals 20. Yesterday we didn't have it equal to 10, but today we're gonna have it equal to 20. So what we're gonna have to do is probably add even more. So we're gonna take the larger number from the two. So 17 larger or 3 larger? 17. So I'm gonna put 17 right here. Oh, 17, I'm gonna put 17 right here. And then we're gonna actually write a subtraction sign. So something minus 17 equals 20. So rather than making it, take a look at right here, this number, what we're gonna do is actually add 3 more to 17. So 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, friends, I'm getting us confused. Erase that 20. 20 minus 17 equals what? 3. So we're going to try it with the second problem. So we're going to write 20 equals, and pick a number. Any number that is less than 20 that we have not used. So we've used 17. Pick any other number besides 17. Say if you wanted like 8. This is just an example. 8 plus something equals 20. So think about it. How many more until 10? 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 2 plus 10 would equal 12. So I'm just gonna think about that. Think about the number rack and the beads. If we had 8 on that right-hand side, how many would be behind? Be 12, because 8 plus 2 more, that 2 in the ones column right here, 8, 9, 10, that'd be 10, plus 10 more, 10 plus 10 equals 20. Good job. So now we're going to use these numbers and we're going to make a subtraction problem. So I'm going to say 20 minus what? 20, can we subtract? Do you want to put 8 or 12? Let's put 8 equals what? 12. So isn't this kind of funny? We can also flip-flop these numbers. 20 minus 12 equals what? 8. Yeah. So if you guys see numbers, there's different number combinations that we can see when we do number combinations, either adding or subtracting within 20. So your brain is basically going to help you guys develop. It's going to help see all the different combinations to 20. So let's go to number 3. Let's try a different one. So 20 minus, I can't hear you guys right now, and all of you probably have different combinations that you want to use. But let's do the next one together, and then I'll have you guys try some on your own. So 20 equals, let's pick a number less than 20. I'm gonna pick, let's do 13. So 13 plus something equals 20. 13. I know that if I take a look at my ones place value, what plus 3 equals 10? 7. So I'm going to put 7. So 7 plus 3 equals 20, or 10, and then plus 10 more is 20. So let's see if that works. If you need, since we don't have our number rack, use your hands. If you have Cheerios, use Cheerios to count. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Look at that, 5, 6, 7. I added 7 fingers from 13 and I got 20. So now on the right-hand column, let's do a subtraction problem. Let's write a subtraction problem. Let's create a subtraction problem. So I could say 20 minus, we can go in order and say, 20 minus 13 equals what? It would equal 7. So look at that. They're the same exact numbers. We're just basically flip-flopping them. We can also say 20 minus 7 equals 13. So yes, my friends, I'm so sorry if this was a workplace. If we were in class, we could do workplaces that flip the cards, but unfortunately we cannot. So If you'd like, you're more than welcome to write a couple more combinations or go to Monday's page and play the roadblock game again. But we do have a worksheet that we would like, that we need to complete. So if you take a look at your, that's not it. If you take a look at the website again, I think I'm sharing, yes. If you take a look at the website, you guys will see on Thursday, there is a worksheet kind of like what we did yesterday. It is down, down, down. All right, combinations and story problems. So what you guys are gonna do, combinations and story problems. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, just 4 problems.